is a very good place for you to come and buy and start your business in your country.
See?
Mirrors.
All kinds of
Different, and they are really expensive. This kind of mirror would be 500, 700, 800. Have a try asking the price of these mirrors.
I will go inside these.
Okay.
Hey? Not this. This is special.
Yeah, you have a try asking of that big mirror, okay? See? Some of them even have lights.
See? This is.
Be careful, okay?
You come here, Sandy.
Yeah. Yeah, they are different kinds of. Then you ask the price of it. We do, be careful. Which one we see from outside?
It is this. It's special. 这个怎么卖？这个？
这个价格吗？
对啊。
啊。
这个45。
45一个是吧？批发的呢？这个。批发的价格45一个是吧？嗯。
You ask her if we buy in more quantity, will there be any discount?
This is the price. 就是45是批发多少钱都是45吗？还是？
那是批发价呀。
嗯。行。This.
How much for one?
40, not 40, 45.
45 for one.
Yeah, for one. And if you buy it for an amount of it, I think this is actually how do you say? Some have the high quality, not the normal one. Okay.
These have the high quality.
Yeah. Because even when you take it like this, it's very heavy.
How about the one with the LED light you ask?
This one, maybe this one, even you can control it here.
Yeah, then you ask one with the light. How much for that one?
这个有这个
You
有这个应该是有电源的是吧？这个
对，这个是有电的。
这个怎么？
这有一个就
90。This is 90 yuan.
90 yuan for one.
Yeah, for one.
Because it has light.
Yeah.
Oh,
You have light
and it
with-
can be charged from here.
Yeah.
Just like the one I have in the home.
Yeah. Just like that one.
Oh.
But actually, compared to the market
And
price,
for the small one,
this one,
小的
这个呢？这个
这一个83。
83.
83
Yeah,
yuan.
83. This is also has the light.
Oh.
So you can ask me.
And because it has different shape, the price would be different for
Yeah,
the square one.
definitely different.
And they will not give any discount if we buy in large quantity.
This
right?
is the large number.
Okay.
This is the. You
I
cannot
mean-
buy one separate.
Get it. How much for the small mirrors here?
Huh?
How much for this small mirrors here? You ask. Normally the little girls like buying it in Pakistan. How much for
This one?
this kind of small mirrors? The girls like using
Oh.
it.
这个呢？这个
6毛。
啊
6毛。
6毛。
啊。
Oh, this is 0.6 yuan.
0.6 yuan for one.
Yeah, for one.
At least in Pakistan you can make it on this much. You can make around maybe 4 yuan, 3 yuan like this.
Yeah.
On this much.
Yeah. This is this has the function. You can see it from. You come here.
Oh, the big.
Oh.
The big. Oh. Oh, there we go.
Okay. That was good.
Got it. It is this shop, right? So she tell you how much price for one mirror?
1 mirror from 0.6 yuan to 90 yuan. All
From
kinds of
0.6 yuan. 0.6 yuan is for the small one we buy in Pakistan. and the big one is around the without the light. How much for that one without the light? 45, right?
Yeah, 45.
And the one with the light was around 90, 80,
Yeah.
like this, okay?
Yeah.
And there are a lot of makeup things and such things. Maybe we can, next time when we come to Yiwu, we explore, come here again and explore and show people more of this place, okay?
Because it has closed.
Yeah, almost the shops have been closed and we need to return back home. And
Yeah.
we have some other things to do today, so we cannot record so many places here.
Yeah.
There's so many of the things we can see. Different kinds of combs. Almost everything you can buy here. Almost everything. Whether it is stationery things, whether it is makeup things, whether it is laces you put on the clothes, whether it is massage things, whether it is exercise stuff.
Yeah.
Anything you can buy here. All the things are available in this Yiwu trade market.
Yes.
And the price is very good, very affordable.
Yeah.
तो दोस्तों अब जो है हम बाहर जा रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास फ़िलहाल मज़ीद टाइम नहीं है इस जगह को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. हमें कुछ और अपने मैटर्स देखने हैं, उसके बाद फिर हमें वापस घर जाना है, हांगजो वापस जाना है. तो हमारे पास बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं है. लेकिन ये जगह जो है वो बहुत बड़ी है और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की मार्केट्स अवेलेबल हैं. आप यहाँ से हर कुछ होलसेल प्राइस में ख़रीद सकते हैं. और फिर अगर आप जानते हैं कि एक्सपोर्ट कैसे करना है अपनी कंट्री और फिर इसे सेल आउट किस तरह से सारा जो प्रोसेस है अगर आप जानते हैं, देन दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्लेस फॉर यू टू कम एंड बाय एंड स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस इन योर कंट्री. Let us tell you guys one more time. The name of this place is Yiwu International Trade Market.
Yeah.
आप जो है वो यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. Yiwu International Trade Market. इसके different district है 1, 2, 3. How many I don't know. पर ये जगह जो है वो
There are
बहुत ही
more, there are
ज़बरदस्त है.
three.
या District 4. Even we can see there is District 4. आज हमने इस जगह का 1/3 भी एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया है. ये जगह बहुत ही बड़ी है और यहाँ सारी किस्म की चीज़ें मिलती है. ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स आर अवेलेबल हेयर.
Yeah.
Almost all, whether it is makeup, jewelry, clothes, toys, stationery, mirrors, almost all. Yeah, there are more. Maybe they also have some electronic products, such things.
Yeah, we just explore the district 3.
District 3,
But
yeah.
District, see now.
At least 5 districts they have.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 districts they have there. If I can show you guys here, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 districts it have. And today we explore nothing of it, not even one. And a lot of shops have been closed because in because in China they stop working around at 5 p.m.
Yeah. So,
So-
at that place,
There are more.
such things like the power or some clothes, such thing,
Okay.
or scarf, such thing.
So next time, because we have more work in Yiwu and we will return back to Yiwu again, so maybe next time we can explore more of the shops here
Yeah. Yeah.
and can tell you guys more about which kind of things they sell here at the international trade market and how the prices are and how you can come here to do business and all these things. This is really a very affordable place to buy wholesale things to do your business.
Yeah, and
To
in
start
the
your
same
business.
time, there are a lot of foreigners.
Yeah, a
Absolutely.
large number of foreigners are in Yiwu. Since I arrived in Yiwu, I'm continuously seeing foreigners from almost every country, whether it is India, Pakistan, or Europe, or any place of the world.
Yeah.
Now I know why Yiwu have a lot of foreigners. Now I finally know. It's because of this place. They come here to buy raw materials,
Yeah.
to buy goods, and then they do business with their country or with different countries.
And it is very cheap.
Yeah, and after coming here, even my husband is interested in business.
Really, because it is too cheap. Now I know. Even something I buy in the in the
See,
market.
it is even there.
Yeah.
It is too large. It is even there.
This is very large market.
Yeah.
Just really a few of them, and we have to leave.
We can say we have just explored from 100 out of maybe not even one.
Yeah. It is like this. Near Yiwu there is a lot of factories. That's why.
Yeah.
And, now I know some goods, okay, some such small goods we buy from the market. Actually, it doesn't deserve that much. I think if I buy online, something I spend more than 20 yuan. In there, it just sell like 5 yuan or
4 yuan.
4 yuan such thing.
Even 0 point something yuan.
Yeah, they don't put something like this, okay? So it is actually very cheap.
Yeah, it is very cheap.
Yeah.
And you cannot buy single things from here. It is for wholesale businessmen. You can buy in large quantity. Otherwise, they will not sell it to you.
Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
place is only for people who are interested in business.
Yeah, I think instead of how to say, if you are worried about you don't have how to say, maybe you can have a try, okay, like this. Come here and buy some goods from here, very cheap price. Then
And
you can buy.
If you
sell
can
it.
see in this video, there are really a lot of foreigners here. Even now we can see one going.
Yeah.
And to be honest, here I see the price of some things which is really cheaper than the price in Pakistan.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे चीज़ों की कीमत जो है होलसेल में वो बहुत ही कम है. हमारे पाकिस्तान में वो चीज़ें से ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव बिकती हैं और आप वाकई में यहाँ से चीज़ें ख़रीदने के बाद बिजनेस कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
अब देख सकते हैं शॉप जो है वो क्लोज हो चुकी हैं और वर्किंग टाइम यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो रहा है. तो अब ज़्यादातर लोग जो है वो जा रहे हैं. ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट 2 है. दिस इज डिस्ट्रिक्ट 2.
Yeah.
Here is district 2. It is too big. We walk all the way and here is the district 2 and there might be district 1.
Yeah.
So it is very large. Let me come here. तो ये जो है वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट 4 है और अब हम वापस जा रहे हैं. We come to district 3.
Okay.
It is 4. तो ये जो है वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट 4 है लेकिन अब जो है वो शॉप्स क्लोज्ड हो गई हैं क्योंकि 5 से ज़्यादा बज चुके हैं. तो अब हम जो है वो अंदर नहीं जा सकते. 5:30 हो रहे हैं तो हम जो है वो वापस जा रहे हैं. लेकिन आप देख सकते हैं कि ये जो है वो बहुत ही बड़ी मार्केट है और इसने एक लार्ज प्लेस जो है वो लिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. It has taken a large area.
Yeah. Very.
Even there it is. That market is even there.
Yeah.
Even there is this market. All this place from here to on the other side of the road is this
And the
trade
different,
market.
District has different goods.
Yeah, and not just one district have different goods. Each floor have different goods.
Yeah.
And in large amount. You can buy everything here. And it is really a place to buy affordable things. And all over the businessmen from the world come here to buy.
Yeah.
क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि चाइना जो है वो
The
सस्ते गुड्स बनाने के लिए मशहूर है.
goods in their store is just a sample. When you ask them, they just say you buy, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
आप देख सकते हैं कि ये सारा एरिया जो है वो इस ट्रेड मार्केट का है. ये बहुत ही बड़ी ट्रेड मार्केट है और यहाँ सारे दुनिया के सिर्फ नॉट फ्रॉम चाइना ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द बिजनेसमैन फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कम हियर टू बाय गुड्स फ्रॉम हियर, टू बाय रॉ मटेरियल्स फ्रॉम हियर एंड दे टेक इट बैक टू देयर कंट्री, सेल एंड देन सेल.
Higher price.
Yeah. और मैं आपको बताती चलूँ कि सच में यहाँ पे जो प्राइस है वो इतनी अफोर्डेबल है। हालांकि चाइनीज़ युआन की वैल्यू हमारे पाकिस्तानी रुपीस से बहुत ज़्यादा है। एक चाइनीज़ युआन तकरीबन 40 रुपए के बराबर बनते हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी यहाँ पे जो प्राइस है चीज़ों की वो बहुत ही कम है, बहुत ही कम है कि आपको देखने के बाद और मालूम करने के बाद आपको अंदाज़ा होगा कि आप जो भी चीज़ पाकिस्तान में ख़रीदते हैं उसकी प्राइस वाकई में बहुत ज़्यादा होती है।
This check 5.
Yeah, I said that one Chinese yuan is around 40 Pakistani rupees, sometimes 42, sometimes 39. It gets up and down. But the price of goods here is really cheaper than what we buy in the market of Pakistan.
Yeah.
So even Pakistani people can do business here. It is really a good place for Pakistani people to come and do business here. And actually there are a lot of Pakistanis here doing business.
Yeah.
There are a lot of Pakistani businessmen here. आप देख सकते हैं ये एरिया बिल्कुल भी खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. It's too large.
And I think actually the trade, the transport is also very, very convenient in China nowadays. Okay.
See, it still did not finish. It is even there.
Oh, it is too long, Sadia. See?
All the
Yeah.
way it is there. Even there it is.
Yeah. So I think we stop here because it is really too long. Okay. So we return back. Okay, this time is the real time to return back.
Because it is really getting late.
Yeah.
And we have to return back home.
Yeah.